We took a trip to Bohemia Mountain in the mines and Umpqua National Forest, Dorena, Oregon. It's a beautiful day. Got a lot of drone footage, overviews, and pictures of the hike we took at the trail here. Looking out over the beautiful scenery. Lots to see on this trip. A lot of mine openings that have been covered up or blocked off, but we took a look at them, checked them out, took some photos, took pictures of some insides, showing a little bit later here. This was on the way down to a cabin and an old mine site. It's pretty cool. A lot of stuff left behind. It was super quiet out there. You could hear driving over the sticks and rocks. It's a little cabin there. And then walking around, checking out this area here. And looking inside this little tower. A lot of graffiti in there, but it's pretty neat. And a few holes. So much to explore here. We're gonna come back next time when we don't have the baby with us and hike some more of these trails. They're pretty steep and it's easy to get off balance with 30 pounds on your back. And we didn't have walking sticks either, so we'll bring those next time too. I'm headed back down the other side of the mountain now to check out that path. It was a lot longer of a trip on the way out than the way in, but it was cool to see where it came out at. And there was a nice waterfall at the end. And several more mines openings, one that you can see pretty good in. And I hit my head on the opening there. I wasn't paying attention, but well worth the trip. And you have to go later in the year, or later in the summer, because they had snow up there. We tried to go in June and there was still snow blocking the way. So unless you have a rig that can get through that, August, September, it's a great time to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.